Okay, so I think last time we were at the third iteration. Okay, so what are the options that you are having now? You have many options. First, okay, you should keep in mind one thing. Your options should be such that your final project duration, okay, is reduced. You should keep in mind that your final project duration should be reduced in whatever you do. Okay, so you have A now. Okay, you can crash your A by how many days? You can crash it by 2 days. Okay, so you have an option of crashing A by 2 days at 4,000 rupees per week. Okay, 2 weeks for 4,000 rupees per week. Okay, another option is, okay, you can crash B by 1 week and D by 1 week. Is it okay? Is it good or bad? Is it going to affect your final duration or not? If you crash this by 1 day, okay, this will be 2 years and your final project duration is 10. From here also you will get 10, from here also you will get 10. So yes, your final project duration will be reduced by 1 day. Okay, can C be reduced? Yes, you have another option. You can crash C by 1 day and D by how much? D by, or rather you can crash them by 2 days also if you want. You can crash C by 2 days and D by 2 weeks. Okay, it is not days, it is weeks. Okay, I am also writing days again. It is weeks. Okay, 2 weeks. You can do this. Okay, what is the cost slope? So how will you decide? You will decide on the basis of cost slope. Okay, cost slope you will see. So for A activity the cost slope is how much? 4,000. Okay, for B it is 1,500 and for D it is how much? 1,200. So it is, for this case it is 2,700 rupees per week. If you cash C and D, if you see, you will have 2,500 and 1,200. So you have 3,700 rupees. So the least slope is this. So what you can do, what you're going to do in this case is crash activity B by 1 week, okay, and crash simultaneously D by 1 week. Is it okay? Now what will your network diagram look like? Your network diagram will look something like this. You will have your activity here, 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 here. This is your A, B, C and D. This is 4, same as before. This has reduced to 2. This is same as before, 4. D was 7 days earlier. You crashed by 1 day, so now it is 6. If you solve it now, 0, 4, 4 and 2, 6. 6 and 4, 10 from here also, 10 from here also. You will get 10. Is it okay? 10 you will get. I think you are able to understand. So now your project duration is 10 days. Earlier it was 11 days. Okay, it is crashed by 1 day now. Okay, let's talk about the cost. Direct cost is how much? Earlier the direct cost was, in second case, it was 18,600. Okay, 18,600. You have crashed B by 1 week. So what will you get? What is the cost slope of B? It is 1,500 and D is 1,200. So you will have 1,500, okay, into 1 week and 1,200 into 1 week. So this will be your new direct cost. What will be the value? Okay, it will be 21,300. Is it okay? 21,300. What is the indirect cost? Now your duration is 10 days, so 10 into 2,000 rupees, that is 20,000. Is it okay? So what is the total cost? Add them, you will get 41,300. Is it okay? As you can see, in the first iteration your total cost was how much? I think it was 41,600. Then you had 40,600. Okay, it was 41,600. In second iteration it was 40,600. In third iteration it is 41,300. So you can see earlier it was high, then it reduced, then it again started rising. So you have already got your minima. If you want, you can stop here. Okay, you can stop here, but just because I want to explain you how you are going to crash further. Okay, we are going to crash further. So we are into the fourth iteration. Now our network diagram is looking something like this. Something like this. You have A here, B, C and D here. Okay, this is 4. Okay, this is I think 2, 4 and 6. Okay, what is the crashability left? B is exhausted, no more crashability is there in B. C is there and D is there. Okay, and your A is there. Okay, your A still can be crashed by 2 weeks, isn't it? Your C can be crashed by 2 weeks and your D can be crashed by 1 week. Is it okay? So what are the options you are having? What are the options you are having? First option is you can crash C by 1 week and D by 1 week. This is your one option. Okay, so your overall duration will be reduced by 1 week. It will be 9 weeks. Okay, second option you are having, you can crash A by 2 weeks, isn't it? You can crash A by 2 weeks. These are the two options you are having. Okay, isn't it? These are the two options you are having. So which one will you choose? Tell me. Okay, the cost slope of C is how much? I think it is 2500, and for D it is 1200. So for this case you are having 3700 rupees per week. And what is the crash cost of A? It is 4000 rupees per week. So which one will you choose? You will choose the minimum one, so you will choose the first option. Is it okay? You will choose the first option, that is you will crash C by 1 week and you will crash D by 1 week. So your new network diagram will look something like this. Is it okay? This is same. This is your A 4 weeks, B is 2 weeks, C is crashed by 1 week now. Earlier it was 4 year, now it is 3. D was 6 year, crashed by 1 week, so now it is 5. Is it okay? 5. Now let's talk. The total duration is how much? 0, 4, 4 to 6, 6 and 3, 9. From both sides you are getting 9. So new project duration is 9 weeks. Let's talk about direct cost. In previous case, the direct cost was 21,300, isn't it? 21,300. You crashed C by 1 week and D by 1 week, so you have 2500 plus 1200, isn't it? 2500 and 1200. So in 21,000 you can directly add 4,000, so you will get, I think you are getting 25,000, isn't it? What is your indirect cost? 9 into 2000, so you are getting 18,000, isn't it? So overall cost is how much? Total cost, it is 43,000. As it is suggested, it is now going to increase further and further. Okay, your minima has already occurred. I am just trying to show you how will you choose your which activity you are going to crash. Just to show you I am doing this. Okay, otherwise our minima is already attained. Okay, now what is remaining? Your B is exhausted, your D is exhausted, isn't it? In this network diagram, B is exhausted, crashability is over. D is also exhausted, crashability is over. C can be exhausted by 1 week. Okay, A can be done by 2 weeks. Okay, one thing you remember, even if you crash C by 1 week, your final project duration will not change because it is dictated by this arrow. Okay, and this arrow has become fixed now. Okay, this arrow has become fixed. So even if you crash this C by 1 day, it is not going to have any effect on project duration. So there is no meaning of crashing C. So what you can do, you can just go ahead and crash A by 2 weeks. There is no other option. Only one option you are having, crash A by 2 weeks. Is it okay? So if you crash A by 2 weeks, what is your new network diagram? It will look something like this. You have A here, earlier it was 4, now it is 2, this is 2, C is 3 and D is 5. Is it okay? So it will be 2 here, 2 into 4 and 7. Is it okay? So your new project duration is 7 weeks only. Is it okay? Let's talk about direct cost. Earlier it was 25,000. So 25,000 plus 2 into cost slope of A is 4,000. Okay, so 8,000 is added to this. Okay, so you will have 33,000 direct cost. What is your indirect cost? 7 into 2000, that is your 14,000. What is the total cost coming out to be? Add them, 33,000 and 14,000. How much will you get? 47,000, isn't it? 47,000. So as we were discussing that it should increase, and it has increased. So let me just tell you what are the data we have got in subsequent iterations or subsequent crashing. The data that we have got is, when your duration was, let's start from here itself, in 7 weeks your total cost is 47,000. okay, if you keep it at 9 weeks, okay, at 9 weeks your cost is 43,000, isn't it? If you keep it at 10 week, okay, 10 week also we have done. If you keep it at 10 week, your cost is how much? Your cost is, this is 9 week and this is your 10 week, okay, 41,300. 41,300. If you keep it at 11 week, it is 40,600, and at 30 week it is 41,600. Just plot this curve. Just plot this curve. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. This is your curve. Okay. Here you are having your total cost, and here you are having your duration. Okay. So if you plot them, okay, you will get somewhere here at 7 you will get 47,000. okay, somewhere here at 9 you will get 43,000, then you will get 41,000 at 10, at 11 you will get somewhere here 40,600, and further it will rise to 41,600 at 13. okay, so if you join them, it will look something like this. This is your minimum cost and 11 is your optimum duration. So the minimum cost of your project is 40,600 rupees total, and optimum duration is how much? 11 weeks. This is your final answer. Okay, these types of questions are usually asked in engineering services. In GATE, if it is asked, it will be a very small network diagram. It will be very, very easy also. Okay, this part is very, very easy. Okay, so you should be able to just pick up the right option. Okay, you will have many options while solving. Just pick up the right option, analyze a little bit. Okay, finally my advice to you is that whatever option you pick up, your final project duration should be affected. Okay, your final project duration should reduce by whatever option you are picking up, and you will do the right.